Hello everybody. So in this lecture I'm going to discuss the important reducing reagents for competitive examinations like CSIR, GATE, IIT JAM and TA for examinations. So I have divided this reducing reagents into three parts. So in the first part I'm going to discuss lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. So lithium aluminum hydride, and this is a strong reducing agent. This is a powerful reducing reagent, and this is a hydride transfer reaction can take place, and almost all the carbonyl groups can be reduced by the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So you can reduce aldehydes, ketones, esters, lactones, carboxylic acids, anhydrates, and epoxide into alcohols. And also you can reduce amides, iminium ions, nitrile compounds, aliphatic nitro compounds and oxides into amines. So look at this, and in the first example, so this is amide. This amide group can be reduced into amines by the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So in the second example, this is cyclic amide can be reduced into cyclic amine in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. And also you can cleave the epoxide ring here. So this epoxide ring cleaved in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride to give alcohol as the product. And also, so there is a partial hydrogenation of alkynes into alkenes. Here this is alkynes, and this is an activated alkyne, not a simple alkyne. So in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride you can see the product. So there is formation of a trans alkene. So it will not reduce the unactivated alkenes and alkynes. So in this example here, so lithium aluminum hydride does not affect the isolated carbon carbon double bond. So this carbon carbon double bond is not in conjugation with this aldehyde group. So this is isolated and it will not be affected by the lithium aluminum hydride. You can see this carbon carbon double bond is not affected. Only this CHO group can be reduced into CH to OH, and the conjugated double bonds are reduced. It depends on the reaction conditions. So look at this example, and this is conjugation with this carbonyl group, this aldehyde, and this carbon carbon double bond, that's alpha beta unsaturated carbon carbon double bonds are reduced. And also the CHO, that is aldehyde group, can also be reduced into alcohol at room temperature, this reaction. And look at this example here. You can see the reaction conditions. So at very low temperature, minus 78 degrees centigrade, so this alpha beta unsaturated carbon carbon double bonds are not reduced. So here there is a reduction of only aldehyde group into an alcohol. So the conjugated double bonds are not reduced when we carry out the reaction at very low temperature. This is very important, because so many CSR questions are asked based on the reaction conditions. You can see, so they have given minus 70 degrees centigrade. So this carbon carbon double bonds are not reduced. Only this keto group can be reduced into an alcohol. And another question here, they have given lithium aluminum hydride being a strong reducing agent. As we have seen in the previous slides, this ester group can be reduced into an alcohol. And also you can see tosylated alcohol give alkane as the product. This question was asked in IIT JAM 2019 examinations, and this, you can see this question was asked in CSIR June 2013. So there is a cleavage of cyclic ester, that is lactones. So lactone cleaved to give diol in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. And the next reducing reagent is sodium borohydride. So sodium borohydride is a mild and chemoselective reducing reagent for the carbonyl function. So it reduces aldehydes and ketones into alcohols, and it does not reduce. So we have seen in the case of lithium aluminum hydride being a strong reducing reagent that almost reduce all the carbonates, but sodium borohydrate being mild and chemoselective reducing reagents, so it does not reduce esters, epoxides, lactones, carboxylic acids, nitriles, nitro compounds, and amides. Look at this example. So this aldehyde group, CHO group, can be reduced into an alcohol. You can see this group is not reduced. So it is a chemoselective. Chemoselective means when there is more than one functional group, it selectively reduces only one functional group. That is called chemoselectivity. And here, this keto group has been reduced into an alcohol in the presence of sodium borohydrate, and cyclohexanone is reduced into cyclohexanol. Here you can see this aldehyde group can be reduced into alcohol, and this ester group is not been affected by the presence of sodium borohydrate. And here this is alpha bromo keto compounds in the presence of sodium borohydrate. It reduces this keto group into an alcohol. And here this nitro group has not been affected. Only this carbonyl group has been reduced into an alcohol. Here alpha beta unsaturated the cyclopentanone. You can see sodium borohydrate reduces both carbon alpha beta unsaturated bond and keto group. And chemoselectivity we have discussed. So the reduction of ketones in the presence of aldehydes can be performed by sodium borohydrate and cerium chloride salts. Look at this, in the presence of cerium chloride. So this carbon-carbon double bond, alpha beta unsaturated bonds are not affected. Only this keto group has been reduced into an alcohol. But in the presence of sodium borohydrate, you can see both alpha beta unsaturated bond and keto group has been reduced. So the reduction of ketones in the presence of aldehydes can also be performed by sodium borohydrate in cerium salts. So we will discuss in detail sodium borohydrate in cerium salts in the second part. And the reactivity order, you can see, so lithium aluminum hydride reduces almost all the carbonyl groups, but sodium borohydrate, you can see, reduces only aldehyde and ketone. These groups are not reduced. Ester, amide, and carboxylic acids are not reduced by sodium borohydrate. So look at this example, sodium borohydrate, mild and selective reducing reagent. Here there is an ester group is there, aldehyde group is there. But ester group is not affected, only this aldehyde can be reduced into alcohol. This question was asked in IIT JAM 2019. And sodium borohydrate in cerium salts, chemoselectivity, we have seen the previous slides. You can see in the presence of sodium borohydrate, it reduces both alpha beta unsaturated carbon-carbon double bond and keto group into a product. But in the presence of cerium salts, you can see this alpha beta unsaturated carbon-carbon double bond is not affected. Only this keto group has been reduced into an alcohol. So in the presence of sodium borohydrate and cerium salts, only carbonyl group are reduced. This is known as a Lucci reduction. And selective reduction of carbonyl group in presence of alpha beta unsaturated carbon-carbon double bond. This is chemoselective. And in the presence of sodium borohydrate, you can see both carbonyl group and carbon-carbon double bonds are reduced. And the reduction of ketones in the presence of aldehydes can also be performed by sodium borohydrate and cerium salts. You can see keto group is there, aldehyde group is there. So when I am using sodium borohydrate in cerium salts, you can see only this keto group has been reduced. This aldehyde group is not affected. And this is the question asked in CSA June 2013. You can see sodium borohydrate in cerium salts. Look at this. So this carbon-carbon alpha beta unsaturated bonds are not reduced. Only this keto group has been reduced into an alcohol. So thank you so much.